there is a big story coming in that WhatsApp has updated its privacy policy. WhatsApp, which is a US company which is owned by Facebook, has updated its privacy policy. क्या इससे देश का खतरा हो सकता है? क्या इससे चीन इंडिया पे हमला कर सकता है? क्या इससे फेसबुक और चीन के अंदर एक समझौता चल रहा है? क्या हो रहा है इससे? नहीं, आप नहीं बोलेंगे. India wants to know that why WhatsApp has updated its privacy policy. Let's move on to Live Scientific for the detailed report.
कुछ भी
WhatsApp का नया प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी आया और सब बिना पढ़े एक्सेप्ट कर लिए. Well, that was kind of obvious because accept button was highlighted. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ privacy policy ਸਾਡਾ privacy myth. Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video we will talk about the new WhatsApp privacy policy. But before that, let me tell you one thing. My channel is encrypted and you can't subscribe to my channel. Go check it out. Can you? Then do it, boss. You are missing out a lot of things. Okay, so I saw this pop up on my phone screen a few days back and I ignored it by clicking not now. I thought it's another policy update by WhatsApp until I watched this video from Beebom.
Let's talk about something serious today. So yesterday I opened WhatsApp and I got this prompt about this new WhatsApp privacy policy. So I obviously went ahead, checked it out, read all the details, and I was like, what?
I was shocked and I plunged into the rabbit hole to know every piece of information regarding this issue. Yes, I know that there's a lot of videos on the internet about this update, but this video is gonna be different, so just stick around. Let's take a quick recap of this whole policy update. So WhatsApp actually collects some data from you to run this platform, like your account details, your phone number, your phone model number, signal strength, battery percentage, IP address, time zone, and this list gets bigger, so there is no problem. But now what is in this policy update that WhatsApp will share these informations with more often with Facebook, its parent company. The Facebook bought WhatsApp with $19 billion in 2016. So let's understand in a layman's perspective that what is the problem. To understand what is a problem, we need to answer three questions. Number one is who uses WhatsApp. WhatsApp is used by 2 billion people all over the globe and 324 million people in India. India is the largest market for WhatsApp. WhatsApp is used in two purposes, that is, one is personal and another is business. So in personal, you will think of like you are texting your friends, you are texting your parents, anything like that. Okay, so it's a personal cause. Number two is businesses. So to understand this business, we need to develop a scenario. Suppose you are hungry and it's 11 p.m. You order pizza from an online store, but unfortunately they deliver it late. And now you visit the website again and find a WhatsApp number. You contact them and they try to solve your problem that you are delivered late, so you will be getting a refund and everything like that. That's fine. But now what happens that this company gets information about you. Now WhatsApp can actually sell them this information like your account details and everything like that, and they can maintain a database to serve you better pizzas next time. But not only that, they will eventually target you more often to order more pizzas from them through WhatsApp messages. It may become a bit annoying at times. Like we ignored the notification section of our SMS. So we moved from SMSs to WhatsApp to remove this problem and to cut the clutter. But again, WhatsApp will become a mess. It's a problem. Another one is WhatsApp can sell your information to Facebook and Instagram and other Facebook companies. So they will target you with more ads. Now WhatsApp tells that it will not introduce ads on their platform, means on WhatsApp for now. But if they do so, they will update with the privacy policy. In WhatsApp blog of 2012, it is clearly stated that why WhatsApp don't sell ads. WhatsApp owners at that time, Brian and Jan, clearly stated that if advertisement is involved, then the user is a product. Now we come to the second question, that how WhatsApp earns money. So basically now WhatsApp earns money by two sources. Number one is a business app. Now WhatsApp charges registered businesses for their slow replies. It's a very good measure by WhatsApp. If you have a business and you are registered with the WhatsApp business app, and if you give slow replies to your customers, then WhatsApp can find you. So to avoid that charge, you will create a system where replies are more fast through WhatsApp. So that's a very good measure. Number two is Facebook ads. Means the ads that are shown on Facebook of WhatsApp. As Facebook is the owner of WhatsApp, it leverages some of the ad revenues to WhatsApp. These are the two modes through which WhatsApp earns money now. Now, what will happen in the future? It is expected that WhatsApp will introduce ads in the status section. It is more like Instagram, the ads you see in between stories. So for these things, your privacy is not actually breached, but it is actually somewhat at risk. We come to our third question. That is, what was the actual purpose of founding WhatsApp? So WhatsApp was actually founded by two persons who were former employees of Yahoo, Brian Acton and Jan Koum. What they thought, people need a messaging service. What Brian tells Forbes is somewhat like this. This is what I wanted people to do on WhatsApp. He says the world's biggest messaging service, which is used by more than 1.5 billion people and provides ad-free encrypted messages as a core feature. This was informational and useful. So you get it. But after Facebook bought a WhatsApp for $19 billion, you can expect that a company like Facebook will never keep it free, and it will always try to recover the whole money from WhatsApp. Now, when Facebook acquired WhatsApp in 2014, the co-founders, that is Brian and Jan, were actually told that they can operate freely without any pressure in developing WhatsApp to a more like user-friendly platform. The pressure of monetization came a bit early, leading to disagreements over how WhatsApp was to be monetized. And this person, Brian, actually is now involved in developing a messaging app which is free and provides encrypted messages, Signal. The app Elon Musk talked about a few days back. So you can well understand its motive. Okay, so if you are till now watching this video, then probably this is interesting to you. Now we come to the final question, that should we continue using WhatsApp? And if you think that the answer is a clear yes or no, then you are missing out something. See, privacy is a thing that we want, but we don't get always. हम लोग तो चाहते हैं कि दोस्ती बने रहे, लेकिन दोस्ती बनती नहीं है actually. Many learned men will say that we update our status, the food we eat or where we are on the internet, and we expect privacy. But that's not what digital privacy is. Digital privacy is a total different thing. That, like, if a random company or some random person will message you and they will get your number from anywhere it may be, it will be a breach of your privacy. If you visit the European countries, then you will see that there are strict laws regarding protection of digital privacy. This thing we lack here. First of all, it's responsibility of us, and secondly, it is the responsibility of the government to protect our privacy. 2 days back, I saw that a number from UIDAI was saved on my phone, and this shook up the internet actually. Many of my friends actually found this number on their contact list, but they never actually saved that number or they contacted that number. But we don't know how it came. This kind of situations are the breach of privacy. So we don't know what to do actually. So there is no clear answer if we will continue using WhatsApp or we should not continue using WhatsApp. It's totally up to you. Because in India, WhatsApp is so much spread, adapting another app so quickly will be very tough. And I'll link all the sources to all that thing I have spoken about in the description. You can check them out. If you want, you can read them as well. And always do remember that before accepting any terms and condition, you should read that one. Yes, it may be tough for you to read those things because there are many technical issues and companies don't provide a very lucid language for the terms and conditions. I think they should do it. If you have found this video useful, then you must hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then do it right now, because this is the kind of motivation. क्योंकि YouTube तो पैसा देता नहीं है, अब पैसा के बगैर कैसे होगा ना, तो आप लोग सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Take care. of yourself and your privacy, and do share this video on WhatsApp, not on the status bar. Okay, many people, they just randomly ignore the status, so don't do that. Share this video with one or two friends of your WhatsApp groups or the WhatsApp community, so they can get more information about these things. और हाँ, वीडियो का एंगेजमेंट के लिए थोड़ा कमेंट कर देंगे तो अच्छा होगा, ठीक है। और मतलब 4 चीज करना है: लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड अ कमेंट, दैट इज इट अ नाइस वीडियो, और हैव आई told something wrong in this video, I have not addressed something in this video. Just do it, because your comment, your like and your share and your subscription matters to me, and I want to make YouTube a better place. So